try running your launcher as administrator. So just right-click on either your desktop shortcut or in the Windows search. Right-click on it and click on Run as Administrator. Try that first. And then if this isn't working, continue where you straight up continue, and therefore just click on the Windows search icon and then click on or type in Task Manager, open this app here, and then if this window loads up, click on More Details. And then we should see a list with all the processes and programs that are currently running on our PC. And here I would always suggest to make sure that nothing of Minecraft is still opened here. So just you can also just select anything in here and type in Minecraft, and then just End Task. So click on End Task for every Minecraft process that you can see. And then if you made that sure, we can try starting it again. So just try starting it again. And then if this still didn't work, right-click on your Minecraft launcher in Windows search and click on App Settings. And here I would suggest you to let this app run in the background. Click on Never. And at the Terminate section, at the Reset section, click on Repair. And also click on Reset and click on Reset. And if this still did not work, I can just suggest you to try reinstalling that. So just click on Uninstall or uninstall in your control center, and then try reinstalling it. That's it. I really hope this helped you guys. If you've got any questions left, just leave them in the comment section below. Then I will write you back as soon as possible. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.